Meet Paul. Paul works for a beverage company where he develops demand forecasts for markets across Europe. When creating plans for the upcoming season, Paul decided to use last year's sales as a starting point. He planned for each market to have similar sales patterns to the previous year, along with increases based on corporate growth objectives. The problem with Paul's approach is that it failed to account for last year's weather, and as a result, he unintentionally added substantial error to his demand plans. Why? Because weather's impact on sales is baked into last year's performance. By leaving weather's influence uncorrected, Paul has essentially assumed the same weather will repeat itself this year. It rarely does. In fact, weather only repeats itself year to year around 15 to 20% of the time. Fortunately, a colleague told Paul about Planalytics and the big benefits DeWeatherization brings to the demand planning process. DeWeatherization strips weather's impact out of last year's sales. Using DeWeatherization, Paul is now forecasting stronger sales in weeks 21 and 22. He also avoids the trap of planning higher in weeks 23 and 24, which had favorable weather last year. With Planalytics, Paul is able to more clearly identify how business opportunities and risks will shift this year, precisely quantifying the impact week by week and market by market. The company is now able to improve forecast accuracy and is better prepared to position itself to capture more sales while avoiding surprises. Weather can be challenging for any business. Reverse the odds with DeWeatherization.